How to convert any image with a white background to PNG in Photoshop. We will start with a JPG image, then hold Ctrl and click on the image thumbnail in the Layers panel. Then press Ctrl plus C to copy it. Next, add a mask to the layer, then hold Alt and click on the layer mask. Press Ctrl V to paste your selection. Click on the layer mask again, then press Ctrl I to invert it. Click anywhere on the canvas and your PNG image is ready. You can create an action for this process. I have made one for you. Download the action file from the link in the description. With just one click, your file will be converted to PNG in seconds.